Good morning, everybody. I am ready to get started on morning meeting. So today for morning meeting, we're going to go over our calendar. We're going to do our good morning songs, calendar, days of the week song, and then we will talk about today's activities that are on the lesson plan. So let's get started by looking at our calendar. Yesterday was Monday. Monday. So that makes today Tuesday. So I'm going to go to Tuesday and I'm going to put all my stuff for my calendar right there. Yesterday we had a rainbow as our picture. So I have a rainbow. What comes next in our pattern? We can start at the beginning of our calendar and look at what our pattern was to find that out. I have rainbow umbrella, rainbow umbrella, rainbow umbrella, rainbow umbrella, rainbow umbrella, rainbow umbrella, rainbow umbrella. So today I'm going to draw the umbrella. I'm going to take my gray colored pencil there. Okay, so I drew my umbrella. And I want you to talk about, what do we use umbrellas for? Do we need an umbrella when it's sunny? No. Do we need an umbrella when it's snowing? Maybe. I think I've seen some people use umbrellas. When do we need an umbrella? When it's raining. Very good, you guys. So yesterday is Tuesday, and we drew the umbrella for our pattern. What number am I going to write next? Yesterday I have the number 20, a 2, and a 0. So what is my next number? I'm going to go back to the number 1, and I'm going to count so that I know what number comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I need the number 21. So I'm going to take out my marker. And to write the number 21, I need to write a 2 first, and then the number 1. When we draw number 1, it's just big line down. And it kind of looks like letters we have, so sometimes that can be really confusing. But when we see it with a number, it's the number 1, not L or big line. Very good, you guys. Now we're going to do our date. Today is Tuesday, April 21, 2020. Today is Tuesday, all day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Very good, you guys. Miss Sarah forgot our good morning song. Oh my gosh, she's so sorry. Okay, let's get started. We need 2 hands, 2 fingers. Are you ready? Good morning. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, you guys. Very good. Now let's practice our Days of the Week song that we've been singing. 7 fingers.
7 days. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, then Saturday. 7 days, 7 days, 7 days, 7 days in the week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Saturday. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. 7 days in the week.
All right, very good, you guys. You did so good on that. Thank you for joining. So let's talk about today's activities under Tuesday. Tuesday on our lesson plan that we can find on the McCormick website. So for reading and writing, today we're going to focus on our Jolly Phonics letter sounds. Those I have posted on my YouTube channel, the Jolly Phonics songs. It reviews the action, the name of the letter, and the sound that the letter makes for letter groups 1, 2, and 3. I will be posting group 4 this week. The other activity for today is to write your child to write their name again. So I'm going to do another example of writing a name. Today I'm going to do Paola's name. So when we write Paola's name, we need to do big line down, little curve. Next we have the letter A. So we do little curve, little line. The next letter in Paola's name is O. So we do little curve, little curve. The next sound in Paola's name is O. So I'm going to do big line down. And then lastly, A. So we're going to do little curve, little line. And that is how you spell Paola's name. P-A-O-L-A. That is for literacy. For math today, we're going to use the flashcards that were made yesterday or made last week, and you're going to play the memory game again. You're going to lay all the numbers so that you can't see them on the table, and your child is going to flip over 2 at a time. If they match, then you could take them off. If they don't match, flip them back over and start again. There's a video for science and social studies today to watch, and for recess today, playing the game of freeze dance. So you can pick any songs. You can pick your favorite song, your child's favorite song, or pick at random from anywhere and turn the radio on and then have your child dance around the house. You can dance with them or have someone else dance with them and then randomly turn it off and they have to freeze when it stops. Another thing today that we want to talk about with your child is who they like to play with the most at school and why do they like to play with that person. Is it because they like to play with the dinosaurs together? Is it because they're a nice friend? So who does your child like to play with and why does your child like to play with them? Today, Miss Lily and I will be sending out information about parent-teacher conferences and signing up for that. If you are unable to meet with us for the conference this week, or is there a time that works better for you, please message us or email us, and we will happily try to accommodate that time so that we can meet with you. See you guys later.